Hi, and I'm your Sunday on 7 Glamorous Queens. I'm 11 years old, and I live in Norwich, which is in the UK. 3 facts you need to know about me is I love pink. A pink calculator, a pink mirror, and you might be able to see the camera there, which I have a pink pencil, and pink rubber, and a pink sharpener, also, and a pink pencil. And also need to use. Another fact you need to know about me is I love Club Penguin. I'm a member on Club Penguin, and if you want to add me on Club Penguin, my name is Best Caitlin number 1. And the third and final fact you need to know about me is I love reading. Reading is awesome. Yeah, and one warning, all auditions are still open, remember, for Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday. I just wanted to be a weekendies because I have time then. Otherwise than that I don't. Yeah. By the way, tomorrow the Facebook page will be open, so like the Facebook page. I haven't done it yet, so yeah, and I'll see you next Sunday on 7 Glamorous Queens. So see you. And also I've had a haircut, so I have fringe now. Yeah, so see ya.